Here in Denver, holiday lights stay up through the stock show. Perhaps the holiday germs got the same message.
It's like having uninvited guests.
Guests we will call flu, RSV, and COVID. They show up every year, but something about the holidays gives them a little boost.
The numbers have been sort of in those ranges, like a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down.
Sure.
I will say for sure after Christmas, it was definitely up, where I looked and I was like, oh my, that's a real jump.
But not alarming, says Dr. Michelle Barron, Senior Medical Director of Infection Prevention for UCHealth.
Kind of normal. It feels normal, if you can call things normal. I guess you could say more expected. This is not unexpected.
The state health department reported last week 278 people were hospitalized with flu. Increasing? Yes, but also in line with pre-pandemic historic trends. Plus 270 people were hospitalized last week with RSV, most of them kids. And 246 are hospitalized with COVID right now. Notice how those COVID patient numbers have dramatically dropped from the past pandemic-era Januaries until now.
Looking at hospitalizations as sort of the surrogate of severity, it's so much lower than before. It actually is still very manageable, which is, again, a really good thing.
Good news for our healthcare systems, but what about our poor immune systems?
Maybe flu-like symptoms and maybe you're down for a couple of days, but it's not putting you at the hospital at the same rate as it was before, which is success.
So this is the part where I remind you of the things you can control. We can control so little, but we do have some vaccine options for these three things. Dr. Barron told me today the vaccine for the flu is actually a really good match this year for what's circulating, which she says will increase the chance it can protect you.
Well, it's good to hear that maybe this is like coming towards the end.
I think there's a long season ahead of us.
Oh
still.
man, I was just trying to project, manifest.
What you can control.
All right,
right?
all right. Thanks, Jenny.